Hello, we at the Audiology Department of the Royal Berkshire NHS Foundation Trust have designed a few short tutorial videos to help you with your hearing aids, both maintaining, handling and cleaning them. To find the videos, simply go to the playlist tab of this channel and you'll find 3 separate playlists. One playlist is designed for open fit hearing aids, which look like this with a thin tube, and the other playlist is designed for molded fit hearing aids. Then there is a general playlist with things like how to clean the microphones and changing your batteries. The videos are designed to be used alongside your hearing aid booklet that you would have received at your hearing aid fitting. The booklet goes through a lot of the same stuff with pictures, but there is some additional information in the booklet, so we do recommend you read through it. We hope the videos are useful for you. Enjoy the rest of your day.